Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a jacket zipper that is stuck at the top. I will specifically be going over how to fix it easily in this tutorial video, okay? So let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do to fix this scenario. All right, number 1 is to look for caught fabric. So basically, if your jacket zipper is stuck at the top, you want to look for any fabric that is caught. If you can't zip it down, then there might be some fabric, usually on the inside, that is caught in the teeth of the zipper or in part of the zipper. So look for caught fabric. That is number 1, okay? Number 2 is to pull away that potential caught fabric. So if you see there's caught fabric there, you want to pull it away, but you want to do it gently. If you just pull it back really hard, then what can happen is you can rip the fabric, and you don't want that to happen because number 1, it'll make it more prone to getting caught in the future, and number 2, you're going to ruin the jacket fabric, okay? So you want to pull away the caught fabric as gently as you can. Basically use as little force as you can possibly use to actually accomplish the task of pulling away that caught fabric, okay? Number 3, if that doesn't work, number 3 is to push the zipper sides together. So you want to get the sides of the zipper, let's say it's stuck at the top, you want to get the sides of the zipper and push them together, okay? Push them together because maybe they're pulling apart and that's causing the teeth to not work properly. So you want to push them together. That is number 3. Push the sides of the zipper together, okay? Number 4 is to pull the zipper up and then down. So instead of just trying to pull the zipper down, if it's stuck at the top, you want to first try pulling it up and then down. So try pulling it up first and then down. Sometimes what happens is that, the teeth are causing problems. So by pulling it up, you might correct that angle problem, that alignment problem, and then you can pull it down and it should work, okay? And last but not least is number 5, the 5th thing that you can try, which is to wiggle the zipper. So just wiggle the zipper up and down because maybe that's going to help it out. There's so many things that can happen that wiggling the zipper will solve in terms of your jacket zipper getting stuck at the top. So wiggle the zipper and hopefully that helps you out. And that's it. That is how to fix it if your jacket zipper is stuck at the top. Easy instructions in this simple tutorial. Hopefully you liked it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.